to my channel. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and show me some love. So what this video is all about, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be dyeing my hair temporarily a copper color. And mostly temporary hair dyes usually last probably a few days or so, and they can wash out easily with shampoo. So today I'm gonna change it up. New year, new hair, and we're gonna switch it up a bit. What I'm gonna be using is a hairspray. So there's different types of hair dyes out there. There's hairspray, there's hair creams, and hair chalk even. There's a bunch of different stuff, but today I'm going to be using a hairspray. And I don't know if you guys saw my other video that I did another hairspray, blonde color hair dye. That video didn't come out the best because the sunlight, you couldn't really see all that much the difference. But today I'm hoping you'll be able to see the difference. I also dyed my hair a while ago, probably a few years ago, a red color using Manic Panic, but I didn't end up recording that one. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see me do another Manic Panic video of a semi-dye. So a semi-dye usually lasts a good few months. Honestly, I think mine lasted almost half a year, if anything, like at least. So it lasted pretty long. So let me know if you want that type of video as well. Right now, as you can see, this is not even third day hair. This is probably fourth day hair now, and you know, the definition is still there. It's getting to the time where I want to wash it out, but I want to switch it up at the same time. So I really recommend using this on third or fourth day hair. But if you do want to use it on, like, let's say first or second day hair, feel free. I'm pretty sure it'll come out the same and your hair won't feel as dry. So like right now, you know when your hair starts feeling like it's gonna get dry, that's kind of the state mine is at. It's not feeling like it needs that much moisture yet, but I'm pretty sure this spray is gonna make it feel a little bit, you know, on the crusty side. But I'll let you guys know and I'll give a full review. So the one I'm using is the Jerome Russell spray. Right here, this is how it looks, and this one is the copper color, of course. I just got one can, so I'm hoping this is gonna be enough for my hair. But we're gonna see. And pretty much it's straightforward. You just spray on your hair. Ta-da! New color, new you. So what I'm actually gonna do is What I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to take hair ties, these things right here, and just tie my hair into 4 sections. Now the way I'm going to do this personally is leave some brown roots and kind of make it blend a bit, but I'm not going to do my full head. So you guys could do full head, you guys could do highlights, you guys could do whatever you want, but I'm doing it in 4 sections. I'm just going to part my hair down the middle and then halfway across. Now I'm gonna do this loosely. I'm gonna do it loose like this, and then afterwards I'm just gonna blend it in if I feel the need to. And of course it will be better if you could do this outside because of the ventilation. It's not that great indoors. But of course it's cold outside and ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm just gonna do whatever I gotta do. I'm so excited because I never did a copper color. Hey! I'm so excited because I never did a copper color before. So this time is gonna be my first time. Sort of nervous to find out how it's gonna look, but we'll see. So basically you just shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. And you're supposed to spray at like a further distance. So I'm just gonna put my hand here. I'm actually really nervous about it getting on my black shirt. So wear a shirt that you don't really care about. But I'm about to go out and I'm praying there's gonna get nothing on my shirt. So wish me luck, guys. Oh gosh. Further. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be a totally different person. I can't even see. I don't even have a mirror, guys. I'm doing this all in the camera. all in the camera. Super copper, so I'm gonna wash that off right now. Luckily it didn't go onto my black shirt at all, actually. Just little particles, and that just brushes off. Guys, this is the final look. Personally, I would recommend maybe doing a cream temporary hair dye. I feel like for spray hair dyes, it's hard to get really even, versus a cream you have control over even distribution. But if you just want like a quick change, then a spray is really easy to do. But I think my next video and my next experiment will be on a cream dye that I could actually put in when my hair is wet. So if you guys are thinking about dyeing your hair, think about that option. And I do have to say, regular light, like right now I'm using my ring light, so the color is showing a lot. But in just regular lighting, it may be looking more like a tint. But if I was to get a second can, because my can's done now, but if I was to get a second can, you would probably see the color a lot more in regular lighting. So if you do have hair like me, or you do have a lot of hair like me, I would recommend getting 2 cans if you want to go for a bolder look. If you're just going for kind of like a tint, and then when it's sunny outside or there's bright light, then you want like a wow effect, then just go for 1 can and I think you'll be good. One of the tips I do have if you're using this brand or any type of hair dye spray is trying to make sure that you are controlling the pressure that you push down, because sometimes you'll lose control and you'll go and it'll give you one big splotch. So try and control that and be careful about that. Try and go as light as you can so that you have more control of even distribution. Also, just make sure that you are going more down and moving around quickly, because if you don't, girl, you're gonna get splotches everywhere. But that's easily fixable, so that's not a big worry. Overall, I think this is a really nice color. This is definitely a copper feel to it. The color was pretty on point. I would probably try doing this on maybe like a second day hair, so that my curls are more poppin' and you know, it's not that, you know, it just looks more fresh and it feels more moisturized still, because my hair right now is feeling a bit dry since I put that in. And it's not all because of the spray, because it's 4th day hair. My hair is in need of moisture right now, so it is becoming dry and it is time for a wash. So adding this on top of the hair is just going to make it even more dry. But hey, it's for a few days, so I don't mind personally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about this product or the process, leave a comment down below. I will actually leave the product link in the description box below in case you guys do want to purchase it. Let me know if you guys actually like this hair color on me, or if you prefer my natural hair color, which is like a brown. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, if I'm rocking it, you know.